Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to use a ratcheting jack stand, and that's of course used to support your vehicle if you're jacking up a car or you just have your car elevated for whatever reason. It gives additional support. This particular one I have is called a TEQ, and it's about a 2-ton capacity, and I'll put in the comment section where you can get this. And it basically comes with the ratchet bar, the base, and this is considered a pawl. So what you're going to do is you want to line it up where the little grooves here are behind the front. So the lever goes this way, and you want the grooves to go this way. And you lift this up, and that will insert. So I'm going to lift up, and initially you can put it all the way down. And then what's going to happen is you're going to jack your car up. And what you're going to do is get close to where you want it to be, and then you release, and you want to make sure this is firmly flush, not against the plastic, but you want this firmly against the actual frame of the car. You'll feel it when you feel it under there. You want to feel the frame of the car, and then the car, after you take the jack down, and that will go down on to the jack stand like that, and it'll give it. Now let's go ahead and lower our jack. As you can see here, I went ahead and replaced this tire. So I have my jack stand under here. So I have my jack stand here supporting the actual jack. So as you can see here, I have the stand, the bar flush with metal. It doesn't necessarily have to make a tight connection, because the whole point is you're lowering the body of your vehicle down onto it. So you just want to push this up, the bar up as high as you can, and then lower it. So let's go ahead and lower it onto the jack stand. So this is if you're replacing it with a donut and you want to work on the other side of the car. That way it gives you additional support. And basically you lower the vehicle right onto the stand, and that's how the jack stand works.